You understand Portuguese, but when a Brazilian tells you shocking or surprising news, do you still just say, wow? Most learners do it. But don't worry, today you'll learn how Brazilians really express surprise in everyday conversations so you can sound more like one. We'll compare how you might say it in English versus how a Brazilian naturally expresses it. Let's begin with one of the most classic reactions in Brazil. My God! Meu Deus! Meu Deus! Like, my God, what happened? Meu Deus, o que aconteceu? Meu Deus, o que aconteceu? People often shorten meu Deus to meu. Meu! Meu, o que aconteceu? Meu, o que aconteceu? If the surprise is stronger, Brazilians often say Nossa Senhora. Literally, it means Our Lady. Nossa Senhora. Nossa Senhora. My goodness, what a beautiful house. Nossa Senhora, que casa linda. Nossa Senhora, que casa linda! Yes, we can shorten it to Nossa. Nossa, que casa linda! Even non-religious Brazilians use meu Deus, meu, Nossa Senhora, nossa. But wait until you hear the tiny expression Brazilians use for shock, gossip, and drama. It's one single word that can replace an entire emotional sentence. We'll get there in a second. Well, when the news is so shocking it feels fake, Brazilians often say mentira. Mentira. This is where direct translation becomes dangerous. Mentira means lie. Like, Pinocchio, lie. If you say lie in English, it sounds aggressive, doesn't it? But in Brazil, mentira is our no way. It also means lie, but as a reaction, it's our no way. Mentira. Yeah, but don't say mentira with a serious face. No. Say it with wide eyes and a smile. Like, mentira.
Bia, tirei uma foto com o Neymar.
Mentira. Another classic reaction is não acredito. I don't believe it. Não acredito. Or não creio. Não creio. Now imagine someone tells you something absurdly unexpected.
Eu e ele almoçamos juntos.
Você e o Neymar? You're kidding. Você está brincando. Você está brincando. But here's how Brazilians usually say it. Cê tá, shortening você. To cê, está, to tá, cê tá. Cê tá brincando. Cê tá brincando. Yeah, it's much faster. Another expression is você está de brincadeira. Você está de brincadeira. Cê tá. Cê tá de brincadeira. Cê tá de brincadeira. Now, if you want a more powerful, direct expression, you can say sério? Really? Sério? Sério? Brazilians love emotional exaggeration, and honestly, sometimes the reaction is bigger than the actual story. Now, here comes one of the most versatile reactions in Brazilian Portuguese. Eita! Eita! This tiny word can express shock, panic, admiration, confusion, or pure excitement. Eita! Look how it changes depending on the context. Eita, que lugar bonito! Eita, olha o tamanho disso. Eita, quase que eles bateram o carro. Eita. Another very common emotional expression is caramba. Caramba. Yes. Caramba, que lugar bonito. Caramba, olha o tamanho disso. Caramba, quase que eles bateram o carro. Now, that Brazil is huge, you know, yeah? But did you know that it means surprise also sounds different depending on where you are? For example, in the state of Minas Gerais, they say, why? Why? Why?
Uai, você já tá aqui? Achei que chegava só amanhã.
In the northeast of Brazil, you will hear vixe, vixe.
Vixe, tu derrubou o celular na água de novo?
And also, oxente. Yes, I'm saying T because in the northeast, most people say T and not chi, oxente. Yeah? Oxente.
Oxente, mas a festa já acabou?
In Rio, you will hear caraca. Caraca.
Caraca, o cara acertou de primeira.
Down in the state of Rio Grande do Sul, you'll hear ba, ba.
Bah, fazia tempo que eu não vi um frio desses.
In Curitiba, in my city, people say capaz.
Capaz, não acredito.
Capaz. Only to name a few. This is what makes Brazilian Portuguese so fascinating. You're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning how to connect culturally. Now, time to practice. I'm going to say something in Portuguese and I want you to react out loud using one of the expressions you learned today. Ready? So let's go. Você não vai acreditar. Ganhei na loteria. Comi 10 brigadeiros de uma vez só. Eu vou ser substituída por um robô de inteligência artificial. I hope you said mentira. Now, if you want to sound even more natural, click here to know how to handle emotional situations in Brazil, and I'll see you there.